Okay, so welcome back, my dear friends, in my channel. Hi, friends, and today I am going to discuss some 1 hour, 1 mark question, or you can say very short answer questions. Uh, these questions related to 12th standard mathematics, and these questions have previously appeared in the examination. So, very short answer questions are there, which we will be practicing today. Okay, so let us go to question number one. And in question number one itself, let me take this pen, ballpoint pen, and color, ink color, let me choose red. Okay, so let us discuss the short answer questions, which will be very much useful for all our students, those who are going to appear in the examination and those who are in 12th standard now. So the question is, we are given uh, fx is equal to x plus 7, and then gx we are given x minus 7, whereas x belongs to real number. Okay, we need to find FOG of x. So this FOG of x, so how we will be finding? This is actually equal to f of gx. Okay, right. And f of gx, so gx is what? X minus y. So x minus 7, f of x minus 7. Then further, here it will become f of x minus 7. So we have to place here, in place of x minus 7. So we will be placing, so not this one. Let me erase this one. Okay, so this one will be x minus 7. Previous one. Okay, so x minus 7 and plus 7. Okay, so this 7 and 7 will get cancelled, left with x. So what we have got, now we have to find f of g of 7. So this one will be, so we have to place the value of x as 7. So this one will become 7. So our answer will be 7 only. Okay, right. Let us move to next slide. So question number 2 is from inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, and this will be the second most chapter only, inverse trigonometric functions in 12th standard. So in this, we are given sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2, this one. So we have already studied in inverse trigonometric functions sine pi by 3 minus. So sine inverse is there, and here in place of minus 1 by 2, can we write as sine minus pi by 6? Sorry, pi by 6. Why pi by 6? Because pi by 6 is what? 30 degree. So sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. If we have placed minus here, it means, so this sine minus pi by 6 will be giving us as minus 1 by 2. Okay, right. Then further, sine pi by 3 minus, so sine inverse sine minus pi by 3 will give you what? So minus pi by 3. Okay, right? Why? Because we are already knowing that sine inverse sine theta is equal to theta. Similarly, we can also write it as sine theta, sine inverse theta, like this. Okay, so by utilizing this formula particularly, we have utilized here sine minus pi by 3. So minus pi by 3 we have got. So here we have got sine pi by 3 sorry, not pi by 3, here pi by 6 is there, because here pi by 6 is there, so here pi by 6. So pi by 3 plus pi by 6. So this one will be given to us as sine. So now this one 2 pi by 6 and this is pi by 6, so this has become 3 pi by 6. 3 pi by 6 and we will cancel it with 2. So this one will become sine pi by 2 and which will be equal to 1. So this will be our answer, and we will move to next slide now. Right. Now this question number 3rd is what? Find the value of x and y. Okay. So we need to find the value of x and y. So this question is from matrices and determinant. Okay. So we are already given 2, 1, 0, 3 x plus y1 0 2, okay, is equal to 5 1 6 8. Now so as this is a matrix, so we have to multiply this 2 with each member of the matrix. So 2 into 1 will become 2, 2 into 3 will become 6, and 2 into 0 will become 0, and 2 into x will become 2x. Okay, right, plus y1 0 2 will be as it is, equal to 5 1 6 8. So now this we need to add left hand side. So this 2 will get added with y, this 6 will get added with 0, and this 0 will get added with 1, 2x will get added with 2. So in this way we got 2 plus y, and 6 plus 0 is 6, 0 plus 1 is 1, and it is 2x plus 2, and this will be equal to 5 1 6 8. So now in this case this 2 plus y will be equal to 5 because both are equal. Similarly this 2x plus 2 will be equal to 8, and then 6 and 1 already equal. So we can write here as 2 plus y is equal to 5, and this is given to us as y is equal to 5 minus 2, so 3. Similarly 2x plus 2 is equal to 8, and this is given to us as 2x is equal to 8 minus 2, which is equal to 6. And if we are cancelling this 6 with 3, so x equal to 3. So our answer has become here x equal to 3 and y is equal to 3. Okay, right. Let us move to next slide. So next question is from determinant. So determinant, here we need to utilize the concept of complex number also, c plus id minus c plus id and a minus ib. Okay, right. So this is a determinant we are already knowing. So one on expansion of this determinant, we will get a plus ib into a minus ib, a minus ib. Okay, then minus here c plus id, let me put here like this, and minus c plus id. Okay, so here actually it is minus c, so this part we need to understand. Okay, so here it has become a plus ib into a minus ib, so a square minus I square b square, here minus, here it has come id square minus c square, so I square d square minus c square. So this one we can write it as id minus c, this one we can write it as id plus c. Okay, so id plus c, and so this will also, the same concept will be there, a plus b into a minus b concept. Okay, so this one a square, I square we are already knowing in complex number it is equal to minus 1, so that minus 1 we will place it, so it will become minus b square, and due to this minus 1 it will become plus b square. Okay, similarly minus, and here it will become minus d square minus c square, and our answer will become a square plus b square plus c square and plus d square. Okay, so This question has given our answer as a square plus b square plus c square plus d square completely. Okay, right. Next question. So total 10 questions generally it used to come in the examination. So those 10 questions we are going to solve today. Okay, right. So now find the cofactor of A12 in the determinant here. Okay, so 2 minus 3, 5, 6, 0, 4, 1, 5, minus 7 it is. So it is a determinant, right? And we all are knowing that it is A11. So this determinant is of the form A11, A12, A13, B11, B12, B13, C11, C12, C13. So in this format it is there, determinant is there. Okay, so we need to find the cofactor of A12. So cofactor of this one. So before that we need to find minor M12. Okay, so minor M12 will be just like determinant only. So this is A12 we are going to find. So for this one and this one and this one and this one will come into action as determinant expansion. So it is minus 7 into 6, it is minus 42, and then minus 4 into 1, it is minus 4. So it has become minus 46. So minor we have got as minus 46. Now cofactor C12 once we are going to find out. So this one will be minus 1 whole, sorry, so 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, and then M12 it will be. So minus 1 plus 2, so minus 1 to the power cube and minus 46. So this one minus 1 to the power cube is what? So minus only minus 1. Minus into minus it will become plus. So here it will become 46. So C12 here cofactor has become 46. Okay, right. Next question. So question number 6 is from integration chapter. And this I is given to us. So this is very easy. Just substitution method we need to apply. So we have to go for substitution of denominator. Let z is equal to 1 plus x cube. So once we are going for differentiation, so dz will become 1 minute. So dz is equal to, so differentiation of 1 will not be there. Okay, it will become 0. Differentiation of constant will become 0 and it will become 3x square dx. Okay, so it means x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 dz. So here you can see x square dx is there. So in place of this x square dx we can place 1 by 3 dz. Okay, so our integration will become now 1 by 3 dz by z. Okay, because z is equal to 1 plus x cube. So this one will be given to us as 1 by 3 log z plus c integration. So 1 by 3, now putting back the value of z as 1 plus x cube. So 1 plus x cube plus c will be our answer. Okay, so the integration of this particular expression, whatever it is given, 1 by 3 log 1 plus x cube plus c. Okay, right. Next, question number 7. Right, so question number 7 is what? This is also integration, from integration only. Sorry. This one. Okay, so this is from integration only, but it is called definite integral. Definite integral. Okay, right. So first we will expand it in the same manner as we are doing for integration. So this is actually formula only, it is given. We know that tan inverse x dx is equal to, okay, sorry, not this one, differentiation. Okay, we know that differentiation of d by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx will be tan inverse x. So this is just the formula of tan inverse x, and this 0 and 1. Here we will not be writing plus c. Why? Because it is definite integral. So it will not be having plus c. So now tan inverse, we will go for expansion, so we will put 1 here, okay, minus tan inverse 0. Right, so we will be utilizing this inverse trigonometric function here. So it will become tan inverse, okay, and in place of 1 we can write tan pi by 4 minus tan inverse. In place of 0 we can write tan 0, tan 0. So further expansion will be giving to us, I am writing here, okay, let me write here. So just I will pull one line here and I will write. So tan inverse tan pi by 4, so it is nothing but pi by 4 minus tan inverse tan 0 is nothing but 0. So it will be giving us as 0. So our answer will become pi by 4. So here our answer is pi by 4. Okay, right. Question number 8. This is from 3-dimensional geometry and vector calculus. Okay, vector calculus. Okay, 1 minute. So this is from vector calculus. So we need to find a unit vector in the direction of the given vector. So the vector given to us as a3i minus 2j plus 6k. Now for any vector, if we want to find unit vector, okay, so what we can say, for any given vector a, so its unit vector can be found as a vector divided by magnitude of a. So magnitude of a for this one, if we are finding out, so it will be equal to whole root 3 square plus minus 2 whole square plus 6 whole square. So this is giving to us as 9 plus 4 plus 36 and given as 49, which is equal to 7, because here magnitude mod is there, so it will be plus value only, okay, not minus value. So the unit vector in the direction of a will be 1 by 7, and utilizing this formula, so 1 by 7 3i minus 2j plus 6k. So this one will be the unit vector for this particular question. Okay, next. Now here we need to find the angle between two vectors. Two vectors are given to us. We are given two vectors. One vector is a is equal to I minus j plus k. Another vector b is given to us as I plus j minus k. Now if we need to find the angle, we need to go for finding out dot product or scalar product or scalar product, dot product or scalar product. So dot product or scalar product between two vector will be equal to magnitude of A and magnitude of B and cos theta, right? So this cos theta will be giving us an angle. A dot B we can find out, and magnitude of A vector we can find out, magnitude of B vector we can find out. Right, let us find the magnitude of A vector here. So this is 1 square, same way, 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So here minus 1 square has become 1 square, that's why I have written as root 3. Similarly, magnitude of B vector also will become root 3. Okay, right. So substituting the value, we can get cos theta is equal to A dot B divided by magnitude of A and magnitude of B. Now A dot B, if we are finding out A dot B, so simply I components will get multiplied, their coefficients. K component will get multiplied. So here coefficient is 1, here also coefficient is 1. Okay, in this one also. So 1 into 1, 1. Now minus 1 into 1, so it will become minus 1. Then 1 into minus 1, it will become minus 1. Now 1 minus 1 has got cancelled and we have got minus 1. So A dot B is equal to minus 1 we have got, and here it is minus 1 divided by root 3 into root 3, which is given as minus 1 by 3. So angle between two vectors theta will become cos inverse minus 1 by 3. So this cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 3. So angle theta has become cos inverse minus 1 by 3. Okay, so the angle between the vectors here, okay, theta is equal to cos inverse minus 1 by 3. Right. Now this will be the last question. So this will be solving, and similarly I will be bringing for bigger questions also. So I have brought a small video for you, and in this I have solved these 10 questions which are for clarifying your concept. Okay, right. So let us solve these questions also. We need to find the value of lambda. Find for what value of lambda are the vectors this and this are perpendicular to each other. So if the two vectors are perpendicular to each other, okay, perpendicular to each other, and we know that the dot product of two vectors is magnitude of A, magnitude of B, and cos theta. Okay, so if the angle between these two vectors is 90 degree, we know that cos theta will be equal to 0. Cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Okay, because cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So in that case, dot product of these two vectors which are perpendicular to each other, their dot product will give 0 value. Right? Okay. So now, utilizing the same concept, we will be finding out, you can say lambda, for what value of lambda, this one will be equal to, you can say both of the vectors, given vectors are perpendicular to each other. So A dot B, if we are going for, so this 2 and into 1, so it will giving you 2, then plus lambda into minus 2, so it will give minus 2 lambda, and then here 1 is there, here 3 is there, so plus 3. Okay, so this is given to us as 5 minus 2 lambda. Now dot product of these two will be equal to 0. It means 5 minus 2, sorry, this is 5 minus 2 lambda is equal to 0, and further it is given 2 lambda is equal to 5, and lambda is equal to 5 by 2. So for the value of lambda is equal to 5 by 2, these two vectors, these two given vectors are perpendicular to each other. So in this way we have solved the questions, very short answer questions, and I feel that you would have got a very good practice and you would have understood what I wanted to explain. So in this type of question, when we are solving, so all the concepts are coming together. It's not that only one chapter is there. For separate chapters I have already uploaded the video, okay, and you can put in comment sections also, but what I thought, let us go for solving questions from almost all the chapters, which will be bringing all the concepts together, and it gives a wide understanding. Okay, so right, thank you very much. Okay, and next video we'll solve another questions. Okay, right.